What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So today we are working on the Mk3. We finally got the fuel pump in for this and I'm super excited. So today we're putting the fuel pump in. So I just managed to put my truck battery in there, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to open the trunk, but let alone there is a trunk button right there. And that let me open the hatch right up, because up top up here all this is pretty much rusted out and doesn't work. So yeah, got the hatch open. Yeah. Right. So that is the rug. It's a trash bag, bunch of blocks, somebody's old shirt, wood, all the old fuel pump. I don't know what this cut wire went to, but I think I'm gonna hold it. Oh, that's disgusting. Whoa, that's disgusting. Well, let's see what it's gonna take to change out this fuel pump. Look like I need a flathead to take off of these lines. I remember that blue is the return line and this one is the send line. So yeah, and I think this is the smog line right here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and take off these lines.
Don't know how it's supposed to be, but I can feel it.
Alright, so there we have the old fuel pump. Once you get to this part, it just twists itself right out. That's simple. But that's the old fuel pump and the new fuel. And here is the new fuel pump. Alright, sweet. So here is the new fuel pump, and came with the top part too. So let me just get this in there. Shouldn't be too complicated. It just sits down and twists in. So let me just figure out the right way that fits in, and should be good to go. Alright, so I got the bottom piece in there and it's locked in place. And now for the harder part, which is to get this sensor in here. So I got the fuel pump in, the gasket in, all the lines in, and the plug in too. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put some gas in it. You guys think it's going to crank? Just prime the fuel tank a couple times. You know, when I put the key on and turn it over, that doesn't move. So after I couldn't get it to figure out I couldn't get it to crank, started pulling fuse. I got one blown fuse right here, and then I pulled this fuse, and this fuse was mad hot. Not blown, but it was really hot. And it goes right here to this spot. Anybody else has a Mark III and knows what fuse this spot right here goes to, do let me know down in the comments. Okay, so I went ahead and changed that fuse. This is the new fuse right here, and I'm pretty sure that this is the fuel pump relay fuse right here. There are a lot of fuses missing down here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the one up top up there. There's a lot of fuses missing. I don't know if they're supposed to be plugged up or they're not. Let me know down in the comments if you guys know. If you guys have a Mark III and you have a plug right here, a fuse right here, let me know. I'm not sure about that, but I'm pretty sure that is the fuel pump one right there. If this doesn't work, I will probably go buy a new fuel pump relay. This is one of the gas lines. I'm about to just take it off and see if gas is even getting to that line, or is gas even in that line. Lines are so old. And yep, there's not even any gas getting through the lines. There's no gas even in that line. That's dry. I promise. Here, let me try cranking with it off like that. Okay, so gas is definitely getting to the line. So let me just keep trying to crank it and see what happens. Well, let me just check my work and make sure I did it right. I did a good job. How about that? And nothing's leaking out. Everything is still tight and plugged in. I don't know if I have enough time before this rain comes in, but I just want to go ahead and check for spark and make sure that it is getting some sort of spark. Okay, after checking the spark, everything got spark. I went back and rechecked that one plug, and that plug did have spark on it. So after checking all the plugs do have spark. It did get gas up here. So there's a spot right there that holds a couple fuses. It holds just 2 fuses. I pulled one of the fuses, and that is how it looked. So I'm just going to replace those fuses right there and try it again. This might be a wrap on this battery. I know I've been trying to crank it for a minute. I don't even know if it's going to try and turn it over. Let's just see what happens. Now that works. So I might be onto something here. This will be part one.